Hello, Jeff. My name is Steve Douglas. I'm the Internet Manager over here at Pacific Auto Center in Fontana. You had inquired online about a 2008 Chevy Silverado, but we sold that truck. So I wanted to show you what else we had on the lot right now. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks. We usually have about 250 to 300 on the lot at any one time. So we definitely have your next Chevy or GMC truck right here at Pacific Auto Center. So come on out, Pacific Auto Center. We're in Fontana. We're on Valley Boulevard. We're in between Citrus and Sierra, and we're right off the 10 freeway. 909-429-1100. Pacific Auto Center, 909-429-1100. We look forward to earning your business. Take a look at all the trucks we have. Come on out.